Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Ask Sanjeev Mishra. This is episode number 29 and today's question is, why can't I make money online with affiliate marketing? So it appears that there are so many people who are trying to make money online. They have tried many affiliate programs, they have enrolled to many affiliate programs, but finally they are not able to generate income, right? It's a very common scenario, it's a very common thing. So if you are struggling in making money online through affiliate marketing, you need to know few basics. You need to build your foundation. Now, it seems very lucrative when you will see, okay, somebody is offering 50% of commission on a particular product ranging from $90 to $900. And you expect that, all right, I will start making $40 or $100 for on every sale. It seems simple, but to make that sale, it's a complex thing. You need to understand few things related to affiliate marketing. Few steps you are taking wrong. What are those steps? How you will make sure that you will start making money? How to do that? Now, of course, if you are choosing product, you need to choose the product where you are generating income. At the same time, you have some idea or you have some knowledge about it. Say for example, if I'll try to promote health related products, say protein shake or anything, then I need to know what content is there, what is the product, so that I will create a nice landing page or I will create a nice ad copy if I am running ad on Facebook or Google Ads. To create ad, I need to know what are the terms related to that product. It's not like I will just post on Facebook and then I'm expecting that the sale will happen. Even if I am running ad and the ad copy is not having relevant information or catchy words, then nobody is going to click on it. Even if somebody clicks on the ad, if the landing page is not proper, if the landing page is not catchy, if the landing page is not grabbing attention, proper attention, then the conversion is not going to happen. So either your landing page is wrong or your ad text copy is wrong, it's not working, or you are targeting wrong audience. So these are few situations which are there, especially in ads. So you need to understand the product, forget about the price, forget about the commission, forget about everything. Just go and research about that product. Spend at least 6 or 7 hours on researching about that product. What exactly it is and how it is different from other products. And what kind of mindset is there in people who are supposed to purchase that product. To understand the customer, right? It is very important. So then once you have these things final, then you can go ahead and you can check other parts like, if people are coming on my page, why they are not purchasing it? Are they not satisfied with the information? Are they looking for something else? So you can go and you can find these things based on number of clicks you are getting, number of people you are getting on your landing page and number of conversion which is happening. So gradually you can increase the conversion rate. But if there is no sale at all, that means you are reaching to wrong people. You need to reach to right audience. You need to reach to right audience with proper text, with proper landing page. Now, if you are promoting your affiliate product through blog posts, then probably you are writing a half-baked article so that by reading your article, people are, your visitors are not fully convinced about the product that you are providing. Or the links that you have mentioned, they are not fully convinced about that product. Probably they need more information about that thing and they go again on Google to search more information and then probably they are buying from someone else who is providing more information. So when you are writing blog post, what you have to do, go and provide detailed review. Go and cover all the aspects of that product if you are writing product review and you are trying to sell affiliate over there. So go and write a detailed product review. Complete all the aspects, include FAQs. Then if somebody is landing, if somebody is visiting your blog, then he will read that product review that you have written. And by reading that review, that person is fully convinced to purchase that product. Now that person will go to the products page using your affiliate link and then the conversion will happen. So these are few things through which you will start making money through affiliate marketing. Apart from that, there are many tricks like you need to understand where exactly the customers are and what they are doing. Say for example, if I am promoting a hosting site, what I will check is where exactly are those people? Probably those people are searching for domain names, probably those people are researching on cloud and SSD and they are trying to learn cPanel, right? what is cPanel, why somebody is offering 30 GB, why somebody is offering 50 GB, what is 2 core and 4 core. Probably those people are researching about these things. Probably they are trying to read more about these type of content. So if you will produce these type of content, then people will come and visit your site, they will find the information, they are convinced that this product is good, and then they will make the purchase. So this is how you will sell affiliate products. You need to understand where exactly the user is and what exactly they are doing. Reach there, throw your page and make the sale. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family members, business partners who are interested in affiliate marketing or who are struggling with affiliate marketing. Share your feedback through comment area. Let us know how exactly you are promoting your affiliate products. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.